Wow, this is amplified by a significant amount. This is incredible. Your guys' engineering killed it on this. Like,
what's up guys, Eric from VSonic here. Today we have another really cool car. This is the all-new Toyota 4Runner. And as you guys can see here, this car is not just your typical 4Runner. It's all fixed up. It has the wheels, it's lifted, it has all the carbon fiber parts, it has all these lights. And this car is just really ready for some serious off-roading and camping. But one thing it is still missing is an upgraded sound system. It has a factory JBL. And the factory JBL sounds good, but doesn't sound amazing. So we are here to change that for you by adding our Encore Alpha power amplifier. It's a plug and play install. Very easy. I'll show you guys exactly how it's done. As you can see here, this is the 2 series amplifier. Difference between the 2 and the 3 is the 2 series does not have the power subwoofer output, but it is perfect for the JBL just because for the JBL model, we're not able to utilize that function yet. We'll be coming out with a different separate product just for the power subwoofer on the JBL. So that will be coming up in the next few months. So let's stop talking, let's go inside the car and get this installed. All right guys, we are in the vehicle now. Let's get this installation started. So this car has a few accessories installed up here and it looks like it won't be out of the way. So there's a little panel under here that we have to first remove. It's just only being held by clips. So just use a panel removal tool, something like this, and just pry it out like so. And then just pop it up. Should be pretty simple. So even, so if you don't have any of these stuff, it'll be the same on the bottom part. So just put the panel removal tool under here and pry it out. And under it, it's just these clips that's holding it in place. So let's put this aside. All right, so once you remove that, you'll notice there's 4 10mm bolts. We got 1, 2, and we also got another 2 on the driver's side. So let's remove those. And we'll remove that with our little power tool here. And once we remove those 4 10mm bolts, lay a thick towel right here, and we're gonna pull it out, and then we're gonna set it on this towel. Just pull it towards you, okay? Put a firm tug, and make sure when you have this out, the screen lands on this towel here. Right, there it is. So once we have the radio out like this, the 2 connectors we're gonna be focusing on today are these 2 right here. The black one all the way on the passenger side on the bottom, and the one right next to it. It's a white connector. And we will be mounting the amplifier right under here. So right on top of the vents. Okay, that's where we're gonna tape it on, and then we're gonna be able to push the radio back in. There's enough room for everything to fit back nicely. So before we continue forward, let me introduce you guys a new harness that we are slowly rolling out. So we have updated the harness. The new harness no longer has the ground wire that you need to ground separately that we had to do before on the side of the radio. It's all integrated into this harness. So this ground wire here, as you can see, it's integrated into the harness to make it easier for you guys to install, and it'll save you a little bit of time. And on top of that, this connector here only fits to the right connector, the correct connector, which is located here. And because previously the same connector would fit on the one all the way to the side, and we had customers making that mistake. So we only made it connect here, which will be advantageous when you are installing. So let's connect this harness here. We're gonna first remove these 2 connectors up above. Okay, just press down on the release tab and pull up like so. Okay, and then let's remove the black one. Just push on the release tab, and this one you're gonna have to wiggle a little bit, left, right. There it is. And then the release tab for this one here is in the inside, and just wiggle it left, right. There you go. Very easy. And once you have these out, grab your harness. Okay. And just in case, if you guys don't have this harness yet, you may not receive this new harness. It's just we're rolling it out slowly. So some of you guys might get it, some of you might not. Right here. And then the other side will plug into here. All right. Make sure you hear that click sound. Okay. And then once again, it's the black connector like that, and the other side will connect back to the radio. And then let's reconnect these two factory connectors. Don't forget to reconnect these, because if you don't, you're gonna lose your USB function. All right, and the other side of the harness, we are left with these two, and we're gonna plug this into our amplifier. All right, so let's check out what's inside the box. So here is the amplifier, the ENA 2 series, and on here, these are the two plugs that the connector will connect to. And on the other side here, you'll find the audio inputs. If you ever want to add another external audio device like an MP3 player, you definitely can do so. And you also can adjust the gain with this gain knob here. The default is at 50%, so we'll keep it at that. 50% is the sweet spot for almost all the vehicles that we cater towards to, so we'll keep that there. And all we're gonna do is add the double-sided tape on the bottom here, and of course connect it to the connector, and then just mount it right here, and then the radio will fit right above it very nicely. So let's do that now, and let me check to see where the optimal double-sided tape location will be. Okay, they're both gonna be around the middle. All right, because we want it to, attach to the vents, the top of the vents for the climate control. So it's gonna be like right here. So let me get my double-sided tape. Let me connect my plugs. Just push in all the way. There it is. And get it mounted right here, just like so. Okay, and that is not going anywhere. Let's carefully put the harness back. Just keep your eye out on where the harness is moving and where everything is going. All right. Everything is back in its place. All the clips are in, and all we have to do now is screw those 10mm bolts back in and get our top panel piece, pop that back in there, and that's all there is to it, and that's all there is to it. So easy. So let me continue on with the reinstall. All right, terrific. That's all there is to it, guys. So easy to install. And once you have everything in, just do a final check. Make sure the sound audio is coming out. And then just turn on your favorite tunes and notice the improvement. All right, guys, we just finished installing our Encore Alpha 2 series amplifier on this 4Runner with JBL. And we got the car owner here. If you haven't followed him, make sure you follow him. We'll leave his Instagram information in this video. So before we turn on the audio system, so you have the factory JBL system, and what do you think about the factory JBL system?
So for the factory system from the JBL, we actually really love it, just because we've never had a premium vehicle. So it's nice to have that audio. Just because we go on long road trips, we love to play music and all that good stuff. So we're super excited to be working with you guys and having this amplify our JBL system.
Cool. Well, let's turn it on and see if it exceeds your expectations.
Perfect. Let's get it. And I love how it's plug and play. You guys make it super simple.
Oh yeah, super easy to install. And we made it even easier with the newer harness.
Oh, that's just the phone.
Yeah,
you're gonna see that it's gonna be a lot more amplified. Now we got it going. Wow, this is just on 9.
Yeah.
This is amplified by a significant amount. This is very shocking. I usually have it around 15, 20. This is where it sounds like, and we're on 9 right now. So we're gonna put it to where I'm usually at. This is incredible.
Yeah.
Like the audio is amplified, the audio is very clear.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you hear. We hear that when people add our system, they hear additional sounds and effects from the music that they haven't heard before. So it's like a reproduction of the original audio sound, the way the artist intended for the audio to sound.
Exactly.
And also notice more instruments and all different type of vocals. And now you could hear like the singer take their breaths, and little tiny details like that will be heard.
Exactly.
And on top of that, you should hear more bass. It should be bumping a little bit more, and also just the clarity.
That's one thing I love about this so far from what I'm hearing everything is enhanced and the bass isn't taking over so much. And the reason why I chose this song is because of all the percussions, the drums, the instruments, so I can hear every little detail. And so I love every single thing about it.
Wow, nice. Yeah.
Like your guys' engineering killed it on this. Like plug and play, make it very simple.
And when you guys install our amplifier to the JBL, it works as a line driver. So it retains the factory JBL characteristics of how it's tuned. It just makes it sound more clear, more punchy, and gives more power to it.
Nice.
So,
yeah, the clarity and balance is phenomenal. This is mind-blowing from how something so simple that's plug and play made such a huge difference.
That's right. No, you don't have to change any of the speakers, nothing.
Or have a big sound system in the back.
Or, exactly.
Because that's what I'm using. This just changed the game.
Yep. And if you guys ever want to add, power subwoofer in the future, we are going to come out with this subwoofer controller that you could add to the kit, and then you could also connect another subwoofer to it if you want more bass in the future. So that's coming.
Nice. Yeah, it's like a party inside a car now. Highly recommend this. If you listen to music or just having something playing in the background, this definitely enhances the system, and it's definitely worth the penny.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much for your feedback. I appreciate it, and thank you for giving us a chance to work on your car today. Our pleasure to do that. And and all of you guys, if you guys are in Southern California, you guys are in the off-road scene, go ahead and make sure to follow He is a part of the SoCal Toyota group as well. So anything that you want to ask, go ahead and reach out to He, or you could reach out to us at beatsonicusa.com.
Make sure to follow Beatsonics USA, and then my Instagram as well. It's going to be Toyota714. If you ever have any questions about this product, shoot me a message anytime. I'll clarify any answers you guys need.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Have a good one.